Get ready, start. The petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India assails the department proceedings resulting in a punishment of reduction in rank imposed on the petitioner by the appellate authorities. Order dated 13th April 2006. The short issue which arises for consideration is whether it was legal and valid for the respondents to hold a departmental inquiry against the petitioner in the year 2001 in regard to the alleged misconduct of the year 1991 and proceed to impose such punishment. This apart also whether the materials on record of the inquiry proceedings justified such punishment considering the principles of a delayed inquiry and the rule of fairness in inquiry proceedings are the other issues. Para. The petitioner at the relevant time was working at the post of manager in bracket materials management in the respondent corporation. The respondent corporation is inter alia engaged in the production of crude oil and natural gas in India and is a public sector undertaking in bracket PSU full stop. On the 4th August 2001, the petitioner received a charge sheet memorandum of even date alleging certain irregularities in the purchase of certain items in the year 1991. While the petitioner was working as a superintendent engineer in bracket mechanical. The aforesaid charge sheet was issued to the petitioner after more than 10 years from the date of alleged irregularity committed by the petitioner, and the primary allegation in charge sheet was that when the petitioner was posted as a superintendent engineer in bracket mechanical in the Tripura project in Agartala, he had allegedly initiated a proposal for purchase of spare parts of Caterpillar engine without there being any real urgency, ignoring the construction in the matter of such purchase, and as a consequence thereof, he had proposed purchase of spares in excess than the actual requirement. It is the petitioner's contention that prior to the aforesaid purchase, the petitioner had properly put up a proposal for the purchase of the spare parts of Caterpillar engines to the head of the Technical Business Group in bracket TBG at Agartala on 23rd August 1991, and the head of the TBG had endorsed in his own handwriting that the subject spares were required urgently, and the earlier exercise done to identify the suppliers could be done again. Para. The petitioner by a reply dated 30th September 2001 denied all the allegations made in the charge sheet, and the reply was titled as a defense statement of the petitioner. In the aforesaid defense statement, the petitioner had extensively, with reference to the record and documents, pointed out that there was no irregularity in the said purchase contract as alleged in the charge sheet, and in fact everything was done as per procedure in the given circumstances with the necessary approvals of the necessary authorities. The petitioner therefore submitted that no misconduct had been committed by him, and he should not be held guilty of the charges leveled against him. The petitioner, in continuation of the said defense statement, wrote another letter dated 28 September 2001, wherein the petitioner enclosed copies of 10 documents relating to the said purchase, which go to prove that the petitioner was not liable for any of the charges as made out in the charge sheet. It is the petitioner's contention that though the aforesaid documents were on record, the charge sheet proceedings continued and the same proceedings were vitiated on account of non-consideration of document submitted by the petitioner. Stop.